What is up, guys? Welcome back to WePlayLife. I'm Lhugueny.
I'm WD40.
And today we're going to do a special little flight review video. So have you ever wondered, I can take a bus or the subway for, few, 25 cents or $1. I ever wondered, I wish there was an era when you could do that with planes. Well, that time is now, because with easyJet and Ryanair, these special European airlines, you can sometimes find flights for literally $1. So let's do it. So we are flying from Linate, the airport closest to the center of Milan, Italy, and we're flying to Paris. It's just a little over an hour flight, and so I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, like, how does an airline, how is that cost effective if there's 200 people on a plane and only charging $1? Well, we paid €1, so it's slightly more than $1, but like $1.10. And so basically, Ryanair and easyJet typically charge a few $100s, but if you book at the last minute, they drop the prices down occasionally to €1 because they figure it's better to fill the flight and then have that flight filled with people who maybe even only paid $1 or €1, but then they're going to go tell all their friends about how cheap the airline is, and then that's free promotion for them. So that's how it works. So sometimes it's better to procrastinate, wait till the last minute. So flight's already boarding, it's on time, so it's a good sign already. Let's check out these sweet little boarding passes, and let's do a flight review and see what's in store. Okay, there definitely are a few things to mention here. A few drawbacks. You can only bring a really small carry-on bag size. Your carry-on has to be that big. It's like the size of a house cat.
And they do check that. They do regulate that. So they'll make you, if they have any questions, any doubts about the size, if it's like, an inch off, they'll make you put it in that thing and humiliate yourself in front of everyone.
I don't know, that thing's looking pretty girthy.
Uh-oh.
Can it fit? You think the bag can't fit, the car won't fit in the garage, but lo and behold, you fold back the rear view mirrors, and thing is, you also have to pay for food on the flight, but it's only like an hour flight, so who cares, right? And you have to pay for extra check-in luggage and pay a few extra bucks to pick your seats, but at a starting cost of $1, it's not bad. Not bad. This might be exclusive to this airport, but on top of flight for $1, we also get this sweet-ass bus ride. So gotta talk about a bargain, twofer. So we're here on the plane. We got a window seat and a middle seat, but it's not bad. It's definitely a little tight, but I'm also 6'1", but I don't know how your knees.
I'm actually, I hate to say this, but this is far better than United flight.
Yeah, this is even better than like United first class, which you can spend like thousands of dollars on.
And the plane is brand new, it's super clean. There aren't mysterious stains and crumbs everywhere.
Yeah, and you didn't have to fight for the overhead space either, even on the low-cost airline. And on this airline, there is no first class economy. It's just one class system, except for, as we said, you pay a little more for seats up front. You have to pay, I think, like €5.
Extra legroom too?
You get a little extra legroom up front, or the emergency exit seats, which you have to pay a little bit more for. Also to choose your seats, you do. But
we booked this very last minute, so we didn't get that option.
Yeah, but whatever, we're sitting together, so. Can't complain. It's a super short flight anyway, so.
Hop, skip, and a jump.
Hop, skip, and jump, pedal jump. This reminds me a lot of like an airplane version of YouTube because instead of screens in front of you, there's advertisements. Because I think the flight's so cheap that they make up for it by advertising on the seat backs.
Even advertising the food that they serve.
Yeah.
That's using your noodle.
Could easily spend a lot more on food on this flight than for the actual tickets. So, couldn't help myself but get a mid-meal snack. They have this amazing focaccia bread, this Italian bread with sun-dried tomatoes and mozzarella cheese, so I'm about to dig in deep. And it came with complimentary Kit Kats, so, you know, I'm not usually the biggest chocolate bar fan, but I am starving, so I'm just gonna shamelessly dig deep. That's actually really good. I was going to exaggerate and make it sound good, but this is like legitimately actually really good. Well, merci beaucoup. So here we are in Paris. What an easy little hop. It's literally like a nice equivalent of taking public transportation in the sky. It's super cool. The cabin crew is extremely nice, and I had a good little sandwich there. So overall, you know, it doesn't have the glam and the glitz of some of the bigger airlines, but for a short hop, it's really easy and cost efficient. You know?
Yeah, and sorry to interrupt, but much better than the big American airlines that, you know, boast to have.
They'll hunt you down for saying that.
Yeah. Well, we already kind of
That's unpatriotic. That's un-American. Yeah.
In one of our other vlogs.
Yeah. So be sure to check that out. We have more vlogs coming soon, including some Emirates flights reviews and a surfing vlog in Sri Lanka. But till next time, be sure to subscribe for free. Hit that thumbs up if you like this, and leave a comment below. Follow us on social media. Till next time, have a beautiful day.